Allahabad High Court APS Series B Exercise 11 at the speed of 100 words per minute. Be ready? Start. As an institution whose decision shape and impact lives of everyday Indian, we must do better. We must ensure the diversity of our country find reflection in the makeup of our court. Intrinsically, having a more diverse judiciary is an end, a goal in itself, and something worth pursuing in its own sake. Instrumentally, having a more diverse judiciary ensures that diversities of perspectives is fairly considered in decision making process, instills high degree of public confidence in decisions arrived at, and helps us as an institution to be more attuned to the people we serve. Stop era. Justice Chandrachud also said, "Let me share with you that after being on the bench for 21 years, you tend to lose a connect with society, and I always found that sitting with a colleague who had an immediate connect, a contact with society, it was very valuable to share ideas with Justice Indu when we were deciding cases. She always gave me a real life picture, sometimes a grim portrayal of liberty, equality, whether it was in context of consumer protection matter or women victim of gender violence. Justice Indu Malhotra has also spoken powerfully and movingly of struggles she had to endure in rising up the ranks of her profession as a woman. At an event October, she spoke about how she was discouraged from applying for being senior advocate. She noted how even after being a Supreme Court judge, she has faced discrimination in shape of some of her colleagues doubting her competence, making it necessary for her to work twice as hard. I can only tell you from bottom of my conscience and with my hand on my soul that I wasn't one of them. Stop para. As we celebrate today Justice Malhotra's career and accomplishments, we use this opportunity that stories such as hers become more commonplace, and as members of legal fraternity, we do our bit to ensure that it no longer remains as hard as it was for Justice Malhotra for women to climb upper echelons of our profession. It is a bitter sweet occasion. The sun is setting on a remarkable career of a woman who has broken many glass ceilings and has been exemplar of the manner in which awesome responsibilities of judgeship can be discharged with grit, equanimity, competence, and compassion. The Constitution says that Justice Indu has to retire tomorrow, but I do believe, as her judgment in Navatej showed, that she is truly young in her mind and vibrant in her inner being and soul. I am sure in discharging her functions with a high degree of competence, she has served as a powerful symbol for many women in the profession. Her story has undoubtedly made their dreams more reachable and their struggles more bearable. Stop para. Talking about the choice of this outfit, he said that amidst all the blues, the greys, the whites, and black outfits in the court, I thought I should make break with tradition by wearing something more suited to the image of this association as being the SC Young Lawyers Forum. The reason why I chose This outfit was to remind all of us that age is just one element of statistics that go into determine if you are young or not. And Sister Indu Malhotra really symbolizes that. Stop. Hope you like the dictation. If you like the dictation, please like, subscribe, share with others. Press the bell icon for more updates. Do use the comment section for your suggestions. Thank you.